In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine postage on eBay as a seller. Combining postage for multiple purchases by the same buyer is a great way to provide excellent customer service and potentially save on shipping costs. Let's dive into the detailed process and make it as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to head over to the eBay website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL ebay.com, or simply search for it and navigate directly to the site. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top left corner for the Sign In option. If you're not already signed into your eBay account, click this link and enter your login credentials to access your account. After signing in, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the My eBay drop-down menu. From this menu, look for Selling and click on it. Upon entering the selling dashboard, the next thing you need to do is locate the Orders section. This is where you will find all the details related to the transactions you've initiated or completed as a seller. Click on Orders to proceed. Inside the Orders section, you'll see a list of all your buyer's orders. Now, even though you may not see actual orders in this tutorial due to its instructional nature, in a live account, you'd browse through this list to identify items purchased by the same buyer, which you want to combine into one shipment. Once you've found these items, tick the checkboxes next to each one. After you've selected all the items you wish to combine, go to the Actions menu on this page and select Send Invoice. This is where you'll have the chance to edit the shipping costs in order to reflect the combined postage for the multiple items being shipped together. In the invoice form that appears, accurately calculate the combined shipping cost based on the total weight and size of the package. Make sure that the new total is fair and justifiable. It's important to ensure this step is handled carefully to maintain transparency and trust with the buyer. Once you have adjusted the shipping cost and any other pertinent details, you have the option to add a personal note to the buyer. This can be a friendly gesture such as thanking them for their multiple purchases. Finally, click on Send Invoice. This updated invoice will now be sent to the buyer, who will see the revised postage amount and be able to complete their payment accordingly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're on your way to efficiently combining postage on eBay. Not only does this help in reducing shipping costs, but it also fosters better buyer relationships through a positive purchasing experience. Thank you for tuning into this seller tutorial.